What's up, y'all? It's been a long 2 weeks. Had a head scratcher after I did the intake manifold gasket replacement. Apparently, when I put things back together, the centerpiece itself that sits inside of there, which is now aluminum, before it was plastic, the center intake manifold piece itself had a strip or broken bolt area, and it wouldn't make a seal. So basically it was like a vacuum leak, and every time I tried to start my engine, it would just cut off. I replaced everything. I got a new mass airflow sensor, got a new idle air control valve, I think. I got a new PCV valve. I've got new hoses. I did a heater core delete because I had a coolant leak. That's what really started all this. And then I found a pool of liquid down there. But when I put everything back, everything didn't work. So I had to get it towed to a mechanic shop after having it looked at by a mobile mechanic as well. Finally, they dug down and found that there was that big old vacuum leak, and everything's squared away now, and the F-150 is running again. But I'm telling y'all, this was a big head scratcher. I threw a lot of parts at this. It's definitely a big lesson to make sure you diagnose your issue before you throw parts at something. I wasted a lot of money. I put new coils, new spark plugs twice over, a lot of parts, like 2 mass airflow sensors, some from the junkyard, new. Oh yeah, it also has a new intake itself. But what happened was when I had the truck, it was our V6. It was set up for a V6. Someone replaced it as a V6, and it was using a V6 mass airflow sensor, and this is a V8. So it probably was gonna misfire or running, a little rich or lean or something like that. Anyways, so it's better now. So we're gonna drive this thing, try to get some money back out of doing some work with this thing, make this a work truck, and see if we can. See how shot these were? This was totally cracked and crumbled. So I'm glad I got in there and got things squared away. But these bolts right here, they weren't flush when I replaced the gasket. Something with this centerpiece was not working right. So I kind of messed it up, but I got a lot of new parts in the process and learned a lot. And the key lesson is diagnose your issue before you throw parts at it. Please subscribe. I'll talk to y'all later on once I get more going on the F-150 build. Thanks.